painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business. We can put a finish that beautifies your investment, that makes your home's exterior look good and last 20 plus years. Professional house painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business. We can put a finish that beautifies your investment, that makes your home's exterior look you feel brand new. Over 2,000 videos on YouTube, documenting our commitment to excellence. On YouTube, contact Christian Painters. On YouTube, pictures, videos, and customer referrals. Contact Christian Painters on YouTube. Professional house painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business. We can put a finish that beautifies your investment, that makes your home's exterior look good and last 20 plus years. Professional house painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business. We can put a finish that beautifies your investment, that makes your home's exterior look you feel brand new. On Facebook, contact Christian Painters. On Facebook, pictures, videos, and customer referrals. Contact Christian Painters on Facebook. Professional house painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business. On nextdoor.com, contact Christian Painters. On nextdoor.com, pictures, videos, and customer referrals. Contact Christian Painters. On nextdoor.com, hundreds of customer referrals. All happy to refer Christian Painters. Professional house painting excellence. Contact Christian Painters. 817-473-0310. We need and appreciate your business.